morning, everybody, and happy Thursday. If you're here with me in the Discord, in the YouTube, and the X, wherever you are, go ahead and say what's up. Let's see who's with us this morning. We have Tiger Trader, Shelly, SW, Fat Guy, Redberg, Big Sky, Amateur Genius, Brian, July Peppers, Big G, Stan, Spastric, Dan, Brian, Ethan. Good morning, King Caesar, Rips Mod, Future Mom, Bull Shark, Richard Harris, Angel, Paul, Steve, Chris, Sound Revolution, Savage, Yakov, Trader Page, Trade to Win Now, Ray Williams, Richard, Work It, Pino, Bravo X, Buenos Dias, Ati, G Trader, Mike, Mosen, Alexander, Mr. Bugs, Christian, Skunked, Abe Love, Wetlands, Louie, Angel, Day Trader, Kirk. Good morning, Plum Tingles, A-Trades, Joey Adams, Ori, Sunrise Driver, Sarl, RRC, Rafal, Maharshi. Good morning, Q Mendez, Corgo, Just Ivan, DM, FA, Chet, Rob, Bob, Dips, Damien, Two Trades, Joey, Jorge. Good morning. What's up, Savage, Lenny, Ash, Ryan, Justin, Pastor, Kevin, Alfred, Toma, Fat Guy Out West, David, Justin T, Hacker, Hilda. Good morning, Eagle Eyes, Ron, J Stores, Von Micros, Dominican, Juan, Main Street Ninja, Corey, Don, Wally, Chris, G-Lines, I Can't Trade, Roots. Good morning, C, Bruce Trades, DL, always, DK England, good morning to you. Zio, Raven, David, L. Jess, Neil. Good morning, good morning. Wow, this market. I got a question. Anybody trade the actual tariff announcement? Like, well, there's a lot of prop trade. I think most props for not allowing. Which props could you actually trade that with? Oh, you could trade it with Apex. Okay. Did anybody catch a little taster's choice on that thing? Oh, you could trade on Tradeify too. Did anybody out there catch that? Tell me somebody got that. Somebody, right? I did trade it, yeah. Posted it on my Instagram. I traded it and I made 8,000 or 9,000, something like that. Let me see. Actually, I can look at my statement. Or would that? No, that would be still, I think. Hold on, let me see. I think that counts as yesterday still. Let me see. Let me log into Dorman here. Yes, I made $8,710 after fees. It cost me $20 to put on that trade. $15 total fees, 20 cents transaction, $1 transaction, $9 exchange fee. So gross profit $87.30, net profit $87.10. Not bad for like clicking a couple buttons, but I was taking a shower last night. I just couldn't stop thinking about, man, if I would have just been locked in. What's funny is like I had no intentions to trade it. Zero. I didn't even want to trade it. I didn't trade anything the whole day. My entire session was just in props in the morning, and I was exhausted. It's a long stream yesterday, and it was like it was a lot of energy, and I didn't get any sleep the night before because I went to the hockey game, and so I was exhausted yesterday doing the stream. By the way, how many of you guys and gals out there took advantage of the 40% thing? Because it's gone now. Everybody's like, oh, I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait and see. The 40% off thing is insane. Like, when you have deals like that for props and you're actually gonna like trade props, like at least get one account. Because they don't really come around that often, especially Tradeify. Tradeify is back to 30% today. The difference between 30% and 40% is quite a bit. And especially if you can do straight to funded where there's no monthly fee. I mean, I think that's kind of crazy, to be honest. Like, I don't run that business. Tradeify is not my business, but like doing 40% off a straight to funded and then you don't have to pay anything else ever again, and you can literally take that account as slow as you possibly want. Like, you want to get the closest thing to trading your own money. The parallels, like yesterday, I wasn't going to trade my own personal account. I did, yes, but like I go very often. If you look at my broker statement I posted for March, which by the way, I didn't have a single red day. Go Ripsy. Rare, by the way. It's not like I planned that. Like I tried, but don't expect that out of me, okay? Don't put the bar so high. Like I probably will have a red day in April. I don't want to. I don't have one so far, but I'm just saying 2 days in. What are we up, by the way, 2 days in? 2 days into the month. I know I'm jumping all over the place here, but a lot of questions popping up in my mind here. Okay, so April 1st we made, oh wow, we made 15,000. I don't even remember that. 15,628. This is after fees, mind you. And then yesterday after fees 87.10. 87.10. Dude, we're up $24,338 so far in April. 2 trading days down. Let's go. That's like a quarter of March. Heck yeah. That makes me happy. Anyway, what was I saying? The parallels between like the straight to funded and a personal account is pretty insane because there's no monthly fee. I thought there'd be a monthly fee. I thought that with the straight to funded, you're paying something per month. I mean, it is a great deal. I'm trading 5 of the Tradeify straight to funded accounts myself. We were off to like a little bit of a rocky start. We had a good day yesterday, but the day before that was not so good. I thought I blew them. I didn't, but I hit max loss. Anyway, so we're halfway out of the weeds for those. But yeah, Apex. Who caught like who caught the juice in Apex on that drop? Like who caught the most points? I caught very little to make almost $9,000, but I was thinking about that in the shower yesterday. I was like, dang, if I would have been locked in, if I would have traded, let's just say I caught 800 points. Let's go bring over to the whiteboard here. I like to do this stuff because it just motivates me. But let's just say that I caught. What was crazy is I was watching the order book. I was telling my wife, I was sitting on the couch watching the order book from my phone. I was like, I have not seen an order book like this since COVID. The futures order book in NASDAQ looked like how it used to look COVID, like when it was going crazy. Hindsight math, never a good idea. No, this actually motivates me. I don't get salty about it. If I didn't catch any piece of it, maybe I'd be a little bit salty, but I made $9,000 in like minutes. There's no other job in the world like that. So I was very happy about it. But let's just say that I caught like 400 points to the move and I put on 25 contracts. That's $200,000. It's insane. Let's say I was doing like a full clip, 45 contracts, and I got like 750 points. 675,000. That's insane. That's nuts. That's why I love this market. Like people are like, oh, futures are moving. You watch one instrument, you pay attention to one thing. It's insane. You make 675,000. Wow, the market is booming right now. Oh, we're up like almost 100 points off the lows. This market is gonna be very difficult today. My idea of like trading my personal account today, I'm gonna keep that on lock. The order book has been like really, it's very sparse down here. And I think that's because a lot of firms are just kind of holding off on turning on their liquidity. algorithms right now, which is safe. What's crazy about this market too is that we are one announcement away from like ripping 600 points. Like, let's just say like Trump comes out or some like secretary or somebody comes out and they're like, hey, so we just spoke to China and we both agreed that we're going to do like 5% tariffs now instead of like an effective 54%. Grrr, market's going to go crazy. There's no amount of iced tea or technical analysis that will make you see that coming. As much as you want to believe, like there's actually not like a walnut upside down cake soup that is going to show you that there's going to be a press release that Trump is like, hey, by the way, that's my Trump voice. It's horrible. The tariff stuff with China is like God. And as much as you want to believe, like you sip some iced tea and you do an upside down pineapple cake formation, you're not going to see it coming. You know what I mean? Like, let's be real. This is a news driven market, right? It's a news driven market. But if that happens, I mean, I don't know, maybe you're friends with Barron Trump. Maybe you're going to, is he in college yet? The dude's like 19 feet tall. He's got to be in college, right? He's like as tall as a 6-story building last time I checked. About 5-story building. So if you go to college with Barron Trump and he's like, hey, come here, man. You want some drugs? No, he'd be like, hey, my dad's thinking about rolling back these tariffs. Are you a traitor? I don't think he'd ever do that, but I'm just saying, you know, maybe that's the only way you're going to know. But the fact of the matter is that this is a very volatile market right now. And the reason why you don't see a lot of liquidity being offered down here in these depths of despair, watch out, Mike. The reason why is because what I just said. Imagine you're providing liquidity down here and then the market goes 600 points straight up. Well, if you're providing thousands of contracts worth of liquidity, that's going to take a long time to unwind that position, isn't it? Right? Would you rather go to college with Hunter Biden or Barron? I mean, that's a no-brainer. That's a no-brainer. Come on. 700 contracts. Yes, yeah, I see that. Yeah, 700 contracts is 90,070. It's crazy to see, but it's very sparse liquidity. And then you have like chunkers, like 113 contracts at 18,950, 700 contracts at 19,070. I don't know that that's real in 1970. They might just pull that when you get close to it. But this market's dangerous. Like we're talking right now, and the market just faded 40 points out of nowhere. You know? Sometimes imagine saving the life of a market maker and they give me inside info forever. That's a strange fantasy. I don't think they do that. Market makers are never going to tell you anything. We do have news coming out here in about 12 minutes. My whole discussion this morning, I want to get you in the right headspace of like expecting the unexpected. For a little bit of time, it's going to be difficult to trade this stuff. And if you're shocked because the market did something crazy, well, you shouldn't be. You should be expecting the market to do crazy things right now because we're in unexplored territory, so far at least for the year. But I mean, we're in a low liquidity environment and we're one announcement away from things being shaken up. And there could be negative announcements too. Don't get me wrong, there could be even more negative announcements. Like Trump could be coming out and he could say, I'm gonna tariff you even harder. And then he goes into like a 65% tariff, you know? Do I see a negative 7% halt? I mean, it would have to be today, but no, I don't. Personally, I don't. Unless there's very negative news. Has to be extremely negative news. You know? It's not down 7% from highs. It's in a single session. Your Trump voice is taught that now you're lying to me. Don't lie to me. I've never tried to do a Trump voice, but maybe that's something I need to work on. Anyway, so for data today, we have the initial and continuing jobless claims. We had the Challenger job cuts out this morning. Remember a little thing called Doge? I think Elon's working with Trump on. Well, the Challenger job cuts were the highest since May of 2020. Do you remember what happened in May of 2020? Were you around? Were you in the markets? Probably not. But hey, you remember what happened in May of 2020? 5 short years ago? What happened in May of 2020? Anybody remember? Nobody knows in the markets? Pie wasn't alive. Hey, Chris got it. Jeez. I can't believe it. What's Stan too? Can't believe it took everybody that long. This is the highest number of job cuts that we've seen since COVID. Think about that. A lot of people got cut from their jobs for COVID. This is the highest number that we've seen since May of 2020 for the Challenger job cuts. So I'm curious to see what's going to happen with the initial and continuing jobless claims if we're going to have that data kind of bleeding over a little bit. The job cuts number, the Challenger job cuts number this morning, 275,000 versus 172,000 the prior. The year over year is plus 200%. 204.8% to be exact, but by God, that's a big number. But that's apparently what the Doge effect is. If we take out the Doge actions, the net job cuts would be 58,000, not 275,000. So they're saying that 216.7 thousand jobs that were cut are from the actions of Doge. So if anybody was wondering, you know, if that's efficient or not, I feel like certainly people are getting axed from their jobs. Did that 900 get filled or pulled? It got pulled. I did not see. Maybe somebody front ran something. Let's see here. Ding. I think it was up at 70, wasn't it? Yeah, it was up at 70. They pulled it. Well, wait, is it still there again? Hold on. They pulled it. It was a bluff. They pulled it at exactly 8:20 and 18 seconds, spot 869 milliseconds. There you go. If you were wondering exactly when they pulled it. It was a spoof. And everybody thinks spoofing is illegal. Okay. First time? Gonna be hungry when there's no one growing good? I think that I've been growing good. I've been growing good and strong. Market fading higher here. Yeah, I think it's just gonna be setting up for this next print here. First, when are you gonna get a reveal that you were Goldman? How is the MC level the bottom of that tariff candle on the dot? I don't know, dude. What? Stop trying to spoil my secrets, man. I'm not allowed to say. Not allowed to say. Shane Gilmore says, I grow good as well. Hey, I think we're all good growers in here. Can't even trust my intuition. Was going to short the 19,050, but didn't pull the trigger. Too damn scary right now. Well, you can always just kind of trade in a practice account. I'm not in any hurry to trade. I just kind of want to see what happens with the initial and continuing jobless claims. You know, we have speakers today, too. We get Mr. Jefferson at 12:30, and we get Lisa Cook at 2:30. So they're going to be speaking this afternoon. But it's going to be interesting to hear their commentary on about, you know, potential future rate cuts, if we're going to hear any of that. You just never know with these folks, right? You just never know. Slee caught that short from 60. Nice. You know, I didn't. This market down here, the liquidity kind of reminds me of a toothless crackhead, because there's just not that much. There's a lot of gaps in liquidity. It's just, you know, there's a very certain characteristic that this market has, and it's not pretty. So we're just going to be waiting to see what happens here in about 6 minutes or so. Crypto Raccoon says, appreciate the streams, Rips. Well, thank you. Thanks for being here. Trying to be a profitable trader, long way to go still, but love to see your streams. Keep up the great work. Thank you, man. Appreciate you. The toothless crackhead probably enjoys that cake soup you were talking about earlier. Potentially, yes. Alex says, besides Bellagio, which casino has the best poker chip style? I think Aria has the best. Bellagios are a little bit dated, but there's no question in my mind. Aria, baby. Is crack even a thing anymore? I think everybody moved on to fentanyl. I'm sure crack is still around. It feels like the popularity died down a little bit. Whatever happened to good old crack? Dealers gave them no choice. Well, I mean, fentanyl's a downer, right? Crack's an upper. What's the upper of choice these days? It's got to be crack still, right? How are we on this topic right now? This is a trading program. We go long if we head above 0.30. Doesn't look like it. Maybe for a scalp. How are we talking about this? I don't know. Somebody started mentioning crack. What was it? Oh, I talked about toothless crackhead being the liquidity pattern down here. It was me. I was the one who got us here. Always Be Racing says, I rent one of my buildings out to a sober living program, and I can tell you crack is still in action. Yeah, there's obviously crazy drug problems. You ever see those videos from like, there's cities like, I think it's Philadelphia. I'm not trying to like dog on any cities out there, but there's like these videos that people like drive through these cities and like there's these fentanyl zombies going around. This is crazy. What a way to live. Horrible. They could have just been trading on props this whole time. You know? Chicago firefighter here. Yeah, it's still here, but more heroin. Not many people on uppers, mostly downers. That's crazy. Really? That's interesting. Drugs are horrible. I've been completely sober from all of my partying days and drinking for a very long time now, and I'll tell you, being on this side of things is like, yeehaw. It's nice. I love going out with my friends when they get drunk because it's hilarious. Unless they're like a retard drunk, but I love hanging out with my friends when they're drunk. I still get like a happy little buzz when everybody around me is like blasted, you know? Herbs, this isn't trading related, but I'm looking to shed some weight ASAP. Any diet workout recommendations? Just do intermittent fasting. 18 hours of fasting, 6 hours of eating. So just eat between the hours of noon and 6. Johnny says, I was a cokehead and then I discovered high leverage trading. That'll get your heart racing a little bit faster. I don't drink any alcohol. I do not. I mean, I don't miss it either. I've been not drinking alcohol for a long time. I partied a lot in my 20s. I drank a lot of alcohol in my 20s. So I think I had enough for about 10 lifetimes. Sold the company when I was really, really young. Got a lot of money for it. So I didn't really have anything to do, and so I partied a lot. Very unfulfilling life to live, I'll tell you that much. Usually just cutting out alcohol and junk food is enough for most people to lose weight. Agreed. Cutting out sugars, alcohol. Yas says, 4 days since I stopped smoking. Very nice. Very, very nice. Any poker today? Yes. Gonna go play Bobby's Room at 10 a.m. Very excited about it. I tried to get as much sleep as possible last night. My cats woke me up. Bengal cats are very aggressive when they want you to wake up. I'll tell you that right now. Alcohol has a lot of sugar. It really does. Sugar and yeast. 90 seconds now until the print, by the way. 90 seconds. Has anyone else lost their Tops of X level 2 data? You know what's funny is like ever since I've got this new computer, I haven't even logged into my Tops of Live account, I don't think. Let me see. I have to sign agreements? Really? Hold on. Wait, is this for like the new dashboard maybe? I don't even know if this is gonna, let's see. Country, the Gambia. There we go. Dude, it's making me put in all my, I don't even want to do this. Asked me for my name and then my country, and then now it wants my full, like, dude, nah, I'm good. Seem to have lost it? What'd you lose? Oh, level 2 data. 30 seconds, everybody, 30 seconds. Let's see if there's anything that we can trade off of this print. Market's looking kind of heavy. We're also looking for the trade balance coming out. February trade balance. Kind of lagging, that data. Here we go. Good luck. Jobless claims are lower. Weird. Ooh, market's looking kind of heavy here, huh? Do something. Go on. I guess nobody wants to trade this. I mean, the expectations were a little bit lofty. We came in underneath those expectations. Jobless claims were supposed to be around 225,000. They came at 219, so slightly more narrow. Continuing claims at 1.9 million versus 1.87 million. You know when you really, really want to trade and then the market just gives you this? Not really all that exciting, is it? Canadian trade balance negative 1.52 billion. I don't know why that's so low. Seems weird. I'm looking at the data right there. Statcan.gc.ca. It's so funny. Statcan. Maybe higher volume algos turned off right now. No, they are for sure. There's no doubt in my mind. We're gonna see them turn on in about 30 minutes, but this is still pretty abysmal. It's just like snaking sideways. There's like, you gotta be so like high leverage, super scalpy, looking for like 4 to 6 points in this crap. Man, this is just gross. Everyone afraid to trade. I mean, it's just, doesn't make much sense for algorithms to be turning on until we settle down here. You see, like, look at that. Touched 92 and swept to 76. Good. It's going all over the place. Do live accounts increase margins with the volatility we had? Yeah, my Edge Clear Dorman account, I got the notification yesterday that they were going to 50% margins until like 7 a.m. this morning. I didn't get the margin restored email yet though. Yeah, I'm at 50% of exchange levels right now, which is like what, 15,000 or 14,000 a contract, something like that. Something like that, right? Look at Crude. Okay. Yeah, off a cliff. I mean, we've been talking about, Squawks have been talking about this really since the overnight session. Like, this has just been getting buried. Crude oil futures have been insane. We're at the lower end of our range here. It's funny though. MC level right there. That's not the right one. How do you say this word, by the way? NQ. Anyway. Yeah, this is just gross, untradeable nonsense right now. Outbreak even. Okay, that's good. What happened with Top Step? I don't know. Did something happen? Bill? I don't know. I don't have it open right now. Did something happen? What happened with Top Step? You tell me. Might het trapped because of news at 56.18, but I'm long. Well, good luck there, buddy. Barge is still increased on AMP. Yeah, same for Edge Clear. I just, dude, I would be so upset at myself if I traded this right now on my personal account. Why aren't you trading Spaceman BTC and using Top Step Indicator? I don't know. I have no idea. Wheel Top Step now makes you pay for the dome. Does it? Does it actually? We're starting to roll, but by God, this bouncing stuff looks very dangerous, doesn't it? S&Ps look like they want to break lower here, but they're not going for it yet. Definitely could drop and go lower than 18,950. Could, yeah. Seems to be the line in the sand. We got 120 contracts there. You still trade Top Step X? I haven't in like a few weeks. We put on a trade for $4.50. I think it was a loser of $4.50. Like a few weeks ago. I still have my live account, but whatever. We don't see you in live with Top Step anymore. I don't know that don't is a word there, Bill. I think you misplaced the apostrophe. Did they change the word in Webster's dictionary? Is it don't now? Does anybody know? Does anybody want to get some Krispy Kreme donuts? Bill, I'm going to say I don't think you have the ability. I think you have the inability to spell don't. Sounds like you're choking on something. You're not down there, are you? I don't see you down there. I think you're drunk. You sound a little drunk in your speech there. If it was up to me, I would say, don't drink this early in the morning, my friend. Hey, Rips, we don't see you on OnlyFans anymore. You have to resubscribe. It doesn't automatically resubscribe to my OnlyFans every single month. You have to pay that extra $149 every single month. Bill says, you should put some vowels in there, Bill. I don't think that's a word either. All right, there's this. Contracts. I'm 50. Oh my God. Everyone's, why aren't you on MySpace anymore? Because you removed me from your top 8 and I just can't do it. I said, you know, if you're not going to have me in your top 8 anymore, I'm out of here. Is that a Scrabble word? Oh my God, we are coming down. Oh snap. Okay, hold on. I'm trying to wait for the S&Ps to break. But do we just go for this? Do we just go for it? We might have to. All right, I'm gonna try this. We got room up to 52 if we kind of bounce back up a little bit. The target to the downside here is probably like 905-ish. But if we reject at 50s here, that's where I can add to this. So let's see. We had a little bit of liquidity being offered at 930. Nobody swiped it yet. We got a 402 contracts at 960, which I don't think are real at all, by the way. This is in our Tradeify, straight to funded accounts here. Let's see if we can swipe below these 930s here. Because also the S&Ps, if we break these lows, it's going to start to crater pretty quickly, in my opinion. I'd like one more pop that we could add into, though. Be nice. A little pop above 45. Be lovely. $55.11 3/4 is trading on the S&P right now. Downside target at 0. Okay, here we go. A little pop at 45. I can add into that. Pop up to 60. I want to add aggressively into. If we can have that. I don't know that we're going to get that. And watching for this flush below 30s now. A lot of liquidity still nestled below us here. Again, I want to add on pops if we can have them. Very sparse liquidity, so I want to be adding on pops. Not sure we're getting the tops that I'm looking for here. I want to see 50, but I don't think we're going to get there. They're spreading liquidity all the way down to 20s as well here. I think we're going to slam into it. There it is. Slamming into that lick. Little pop back up, like right into 45 would be nice. Okay, right there. That's a nice pop. And then if we can get an even bigger pop to 50, it'd be lovely, but I'm not optimistic about that. Break those 30s and then roll to like 15. Watching for this 30 break. $23 contracts at 30, we should snap right through that. And then I can add if we pop to 50 here. Watching for this bigger pop. Right. There's one. It wasn't as high as I wanted, so we got a little bit more liquidity on. Now looking for this to sweep down to 15s. Through 30. Pop, pop, pop. There we go. A little bit more. Okay, filled 3 of our contracts. And now we're down to 1. Put our stop up here. It's a shame we can't make more on these accounts. And there's our 20s. We wanted 15s, but yeah, we'll take 20s. All right, cool. Textbook little pitch and catch there. There's your 15s if you were waiting for them. The old pitch and catch never fails you. All right, we're done with Tradeify for the day. I want to make more, but we can't. I just wanted to make a little bit more. It's you know, it is what it is. This is why I like trading personal accounts. I'm not going to touch my personal account though. Own trade more. All right, off to Apex we go. Tradeify done for the day. Anybody else catch it? If you caught anything similar to what I caught there, drop a W in chat. It's a beautiful pop. I wanted to pop to 60. We only got to pop to 50, but. Anybody catch that? Drop a W in chat if you did. Nice. There you go. How much total did you make it? 1259.68. Let's see. Do 68 times 5, $6,298. There we go. There we have it. Great stream yesterday with Brett. By the way, Ribs, thanks, Tom. Thanks for tuning in. Big inflection point here across the board. Oh boy, if this thing rolls here, this is like gonna make me regret I'm not trading my personal, but I'm in poker mind right now. I'm gonna play poker later. I don't want to touch my personal. I don't want to be chasing profits on my personal right now, so I'm just gonna switch over to Apex. Nice, Master Rick. There you go, buddy. Looking for that 900 test now. China's yapping right now about their monetary policy. We are about 2 minutes from some algorithms coming on here. Gonna be interesting. We are seeing some liquidity providers coming into the market now, which is good. It's interesting because we're right at the S&P inflection point where it would break if it broke heavily. Like right below these 900s in the NASDAQ, but we could see a massive bounce because we're right here at this big area in the S&Ps. Who's getting thrashed on the table today, Ripsy Hustle? We have a good lineup today. There's an extraordinary VIP in town, and I'm excited to play with them. It'll be a lot of fun. Going to be lovely. Trying to catch the bounce up here. Yeah, it's a little bit risky. We might have to be waiting until the next trade here. Yeah. That's exactly right. Do Apex have price limits? Asking since Top Step has it at 5%. I don't think so. Is Top Step still tradable right now? Are they doing their thing? I missed the bounce there, up to 30. I thought we would have got a little bit more. I was being too patient. They're gonna break these 900s right now. S&Ps are like right there at that break. Golly, they're taxing into those 900s. It's just gonna roll now. Okay, watching this bounce for a little scalpy scalp. Yeah, CME is 7%. What is the equity limit? It's like 18,775 today for NASDAQ. Something like that. Somebody tell me what it is. 387. 18,387 today? Is it really? Okay, there's your 46 algos. Let's see. Waiting for the pop to 20. I keep on missing these pops. Kind of frustrating. Okay, watching here, pop towards 900. S&Ps are literally at the exact point of breaking. We have to be worried about 5,500 evens. Watching for a pop here. I'm trying to add on upticks, or open on upticks rather. Yeah, 18,387, 7%. That sounds about right. Okay, there we go. A little pop. Pop it a little bit more. Okay, I gotta just take it. If we get up above like 10s, then I can add. But we're in Apex now. S&Ps are literally about to tumble here and probably tag 5,500 evens, if not like a quick flash through it first. Okay, watching on bounces. I want to add on upticks, remember. Any kind of uptick I want to be adding on to. S&P is literally about to tumble here. But again, we have to be watching for 5,500 evens. 5,500 evens is where it gets spooky. Okay, adding on that uptick. She's going. A lot of liquidity providers below us too. Watching through these 80s. There's your 5,500 break, by the way. Take off 2. Taking off 1. Trailing drawdown, got to take that off. There we go. There's your Apex. $1,400 per account. What is that? 1467, 60 times 20, $30,000. There you go. All right, so let's watch and see right around this 5,500 level now. This is where things can get a little bit spicy. This is now trading in like August 2024 territory. Across the board. Big breaking point in the S&Ps here. Underneath 5,500. Curious to see if we come back up towards 18,900 here at all. Be very interesting if we did. Still rolling, popping up and then running into huge traffic. $5,500s are being reclaimed right now in the S&Ps. Seeing up here at 18,900, what happens? Reclaiming 5,500. This is kind of what we expected here. They're possibly retesting 5,500 here again. Seeing if we can break below these 880s now. 18,880. Wow, what a sweep. I wanted 18,900, but we didn't get that. See if we wrestle below the 60s now here. I'd love to see 18,900 reclaimed, personally. Okay, there's your tag into 18,900. Watching here. For a potential reshort. Back above 5,500 here too. Let's see what happens at this battle, 18,900. Can we run for 25s? Nice bids here underneath. See if we get all the way up to the 30s, potential reshort at 30s if we can get that high. I don't know. Let's see. We might just break below here again, back below 900. See if they send this back below 900 here. Wow, they're really going for it here. Little liquidity exchange there at 900. They're fighting below these 900s. It's very interesting to see this battle going on. Like, they're fighting heavily at these 900s. And they're really defending it, surprisingly. See if we have this sweep lower again. Little pause in the price action here. 880s are going to be a level that's going to be defended heavily, I think. Maybe. Wow, they're really dumping this thing now. Look at this flush. My goodness. Watching below 70s now? Wowzers. Kind of insane to see this, huh? Can it hold below 80s is the question. Curious. I wonder if we are actually going to fade a little bit lower. Let's see. '60s are interesting. That's worth 2. Another 2 out. Hey, we realized ourselves $10,390 so far, and we got one as a runner. Why not? This isn't our real money account. I lied to you. I said we weren't going to trade it, but we're up $11,000 in this trade right now, so it'll make me feel better about playing poker. What can I say? What do you want me to do? You know, what do you want me to say? I move my stop down here. What do you want me to say? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What do you want me to say? I apologize. I actually want to be like a little bit lower here, like right there. 73, because we're going to perk up here. We're going to take it. Where was the entry? Most of it was up here on that push back up. I wanted 930s. 930s I could have got extra bricked up and juicy. But this is your classic pitch and catch Ripsy pattern right here. You know what I mean? Those tards on Twitter will be furious with you now, making 11K in personal and 30K in prop. That's the thing though, is like, I don't really care. I don't really mind. I think they're fun. I don't mind the Twitter trolls. Because you know what's really interesting when you think about it? Let's see if we get stopped out here, by the way. We're at 73 3/4 for our order. Let's see in real time. There's somebody defending us. 24 contracts are defending us. No, but the funny thing is that, you know, all these people who do troll me on Twitter, and like, I don't know why I didn't think about this before. But the thing is, it's crazy, is like, nobody gave me any of this. Right? Nobody, wow, look at this, falling out of bed now, beautiful. Look at that, $1,000 extra on our runner there. Can we go for 12,000? Nobody gave me any of this. Do you know what I mean? Like, no, there's nobody that gave this to me. And all the people who are on Twitter, I mean, not all the people, there's very few people actually. But the people who do decide to troll me on these platforms, like on Twitter and everything, I mean, it's kind of like, well, why aren't you doing it? Nobody's like giving me this account to trade. I had to make the money to put into this account and then trade it. And then I got the stones to put on a trade like this where I make $11,000 in front of thousands of people here. So the question is like, why aren't they doing it? And they sit here and they talk smack on my Twitter stuff. Like I post something like, and it's like, well, but why aren't you doing it? If you don't, like, but why aren't you doing it? You know what I mean? Like nobody's given me nobody filled this account with money. Nobody bought me my Ferrari. Nobody bought me my Bentley. Nobody bought me this house. I had to go out and get it. My own hands. You know, I had to get it with my own leopard paws. You know what I mean? Like I had to go out and grab it myself. Ooh-wee, look at this thing going now. Ho ho, hot diggity. We got room all the way down to 5480. Gives me dats. Yeah. But you know what I mean? Like nobody like put this trade on for me. I had to put this on myself. Why don't we TP down here? 1350 seems nice, doesn't it? Do it. Fill me. Just right there. Break those 30s. Guess I could bring this into like 800. Well, I might have a little pop too much. Let's do like that. That seems fair. What broker do I use? It's right up there in the corner. Edge clear. Edge clear. Where's the thing? You can see right here. Edge clear. Right here. My account live. This is me. This is the live trade. This is me living. Trying to realize the final 1350 on this final contract here. Do all props have a limit down rule? I don't think so. Oh, what's going to hit first? 51 or 29? Nobody knows. Oh, and we're out. I was like, oh, we're going to get there. Now we're out. All right, so hey, we made $11,280. One single trade. Ladies and gentlemen, one single trade. If we go to the hourly, you can see. That is one single trade yesterday on the tariff dump. One single trade. And then the day before that was on Tuesday. See this? One single trade, one single trade, one single trade. One trade a day. So what are we up now? What did I say we're up? 20-something thousand? Do some quick maths here. Quick maths. By the way, we're probably going to hit 29 now. I don't care. I don't care. I can hear you judging me. Just stop. Let's see. Let me check the broker statement here again. Okay, so 87.10 is what we made yesterday. The day before that, we made 15. Every time I pull these numbers, I'm like, oh, wait, I don't remember that. That was great. And then today we just made 11,280. Okay, in 3 days of trades, we are up $35,618 in our personal brokerage account for April. That's a dang good start. How many pieces of we made 105,000 last month? We're 33% of the way of last month in 3 days of trading. Whoo-wee! I feel good about that. I feel good about that. It's funny too, because I was like, yeah, I'm probably not gonna trade my personal. And then the market did some things. I said, okay, I gotta trade my personal now. I don't know, that's just the way it works sometimes, you know? Sometimes I just don't think I'm gonna do things, and then I do things. And there it is. Bow, 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 bow. Anyway, yeah, that's probably it for me for trades. Do we have any questions about the trades that I've taken today? That was fun. Some days your days end earlier than you think. You know what I mean? I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. You only trade pre-market? No, that's not true. Trade all the time. Trade pre-market. I did trade the tariff announcement. I posted it in Discord, Lulu. Did you miss it? I got made $8,000 yesterday. Well, almost 9. Giveaway. Do you guys and gals in here want to do a giveaway? I could do that. What would you like for me to give away? Let's do a poll. If we have 500 likes, I'll do a giveaway. How about that? We are at 338 likes. Okay, then. All right. Serious question. Serious question. I wake up very early. I write a memo. It goes out to TradingView, or not TradingView, Thinkorswim. What is that? Schwab. Goes out to Webull. Goes out to E-Trade. I wake up early. I write this memo for free. Goes out to all these brokerage houses for free. And I come on and I trade here live in front of everybody for free. There's 1,300 people watching. I'm trading a real live money account, and I'm trading props. And there's 1,300 people watching. I get 400 likes? I don't know. What am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong here? What am I not doing good enough for you? What am I not doing good enough for you? How can I be better? What can I do to be better for you? I'm not stripping. I mean, that's the paid stream, my friend. That's not the for free one. Take your shirt off, P.D. Pablo style. Twist it around your head, spin it like a helicopter. This one for North Carolina. This is a great track, by the way. Keep the Ferrari in the background. Well, actually, there is one. It's right there. You just can't. There it is. Same color as mine, too. That's not a great track. You don't like P.D. Pablo, North Carolina. What is it? It's Get Up or Raise Up. I think it's called Raise Up. You don't like that track? Are you nuts? Who played the GOAT song? You remember the GOAT song? Oh my goodness. 100K real money giveaway helps. Yes. Let me just blast out I'm gonna go ahead and fucking blast out 100K. How can I find your morning report on Schwab? Go to Spy, Triple Q's, Apple, Google, Amazon. Go to any of those. Let me see. I might have to re-log in. Let me see if it's I'm still logged into my Thinkorswim here. Please, please, please. Oh, come on. Okay, I'm back in. Let's see. Let me try the Triple Q's and then I'll go to news. Oh, there's so much news today. Yeah, hold on. Let me check this Spy. Sometimes it's like hard to find. This dude has blown the heck out of this trumpet, by the way. Usually it shows up in the news for Triple Q's Spy. That's the easiest way to find it. Tesla, Apple, Nvidia. Wow, look at that. Boy, did we get out of that short in the right time, didn't we? That's why, by the way, you use stops and you don't get hungry eyes. That's a beautiful short. You get my report on Benzinga. Hey, there you go. That's one of them. Okay, all right, let's do this. Let me do a quick poll. What do you want me to give away? Free month of MC, free account for prop firm. Okay. Pick one, and we'll do whatever the highest vote goes to. Let's see, folks. Trip to Vegas? You know, we might have something happening either in September or August for Vegas. I think we're going to have something real special set up. You know? Who's voting nothing? That's a... Look, there are people actually voting nothing. Nothing! I don't want anything. September, Fader school starts. Yeah, I think September could be fun. Free poker classes. Dude, there's people that like, when I post poker, they're like, when's the poker master class? I don't know, dude, never. Just happen to be here, the banter's cool. I try to make this show entertaining and exciting. I just don't know of any other, I don't know of any other morning shows out there where you have the host that's not only trading prop firm accounts, but also trading their own real money for funsies and doing it well. And I'm not talking about like, there's some dude who's like trading on the micros and they're showing you like how many ticks they're in the profit and then be like, ugh, ugh. That's not real. Maybe I'm crazy, but is there anybody else out there that's doing a free live stream where they're showing you that they're making 5 figures in a single trade? Is there? Or am I freaking nuts? There's not, right? Tom Hogarth's doing it? Really? I'm talking about like in a real, not a prop firm account. I don't like their own real money. Their real money, not a prop firm money. Do you know what I mean? I'm talking about like real money. I'm trying to spin up my account to 1 million. And I started with 100K. We're almost halfway point. I don't know. I don't want to spoil it, but we're pretty close. We're getting up there. Tom Hogarth uses real money. Does he, dude? Why haven't I seen his stuff before? I gotta see this. Hold on. YouTube. Tom Hogarth. He's doing live streams? Really? And this is not props, right? I mean, I don't know. This doesn't look... Tom trades big? Really? He only trades currency pairs though, right? He doesn't trade any index equity futures, right? Tom is a lord. Dude, I've heard of him. Dude, I'm not throwing shade. He's like, you don't know about it. Dude, he's a legend. I just never have seen him do the live thing, so I don't know. I have to check it out. He trades DAX down now. So, okay, I got to check it out. Okay. Oh, he trades CFDs. Gotcha. So he's trading NAS 100. Okay, well, that's good company to be in. Cool. See, now that makes me feel good. I'm in the same company as Tom Hogarth. Is there anybody else? Is there anybody else that's doing like, I'm talking about like 5-figure trades, 6-figure trades. Is there anybody else that's doing it live for free? With their own money, live. It's a poker game stream, not today. No, it's a private game. The next, dude, when they finally release this season that I taped like 3 weeks ago, it's gonna be, you're gonna see the hand. It's gonna be sick. I can't wait. Tom is on a different level than everyone on YouTube. He's been trading for a heck of a lot longer than I have. This is only my 11th year of trading. Here I said only. This is my 11th year of trading. Tom's probably been doing this for 20 plus. Trader King, I respect King. He's cool. I like that guy. I got mad respect for him. Tom's almost 30 years. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. All right, let's do this. Free account for a prop firm. Let's do that. Okay, scavenger hunt time, as you know, folks. It's scavenger hunt time, folks. Scavenger time. Oh, snap, wait. Oh, look at that. The margins are back. I wonder if I put the margins are back, by the way. Margins are back to normal. When did I open that trade? Hold on. That's so funny. The margins were opened up at 8:47 Eastern. So where's my, I gotta see when I opened that trade. I opened that trade. What's the highest tick that I got? 904 was the highest tick that I got on that? Wow. Dude, how insane is this? The margins opened up at 8:47 and I opened that trade at 8:49 and I didn't even have any idea that the margins were back to normal. That is so crazy. That's awesome. That's crazy. 2 minutes, dude. That's freaking insane. That's cool. How fun. How cool is that? Only. Dude, that was funny. All right, let's do a giveaway. Let's do a scavenger hunt. As you folks know, if you've been here before, this is how we do things around here. All right. We'll start here. Boom, boom, ba-doom. All right, click that link. Hold on, I gotta load up Nightbot here. Do giveaway. Shika-chika. Boom, boom. All right. Okay, click that link. Scroll down. We're gonna do 3 words. 3 words today. First word. Do not type it in yet. Just be prepared. So, like, if the code word was like awesome trading rips, you would type it in like this. And this is not the keyword. Awesome trading rips are the 3 keywords. That's what you type it in like. Do not type that in. Otherwise, it doesn't count for anything. Okay. Scroll down on that page that I just sent you. The trade props link. Scroll down. It says partnered with the best trading blank. That's word number 1. Do not type it in yet. Do not type it in yet. Okay. That's word number 1. Word number 2 is going to be right here. Right here. Word number 2. Scroll down on that page. Not too far. It says how it blank. How it blank. How it blank. Okay. That's word number 2. And then finally, word number 3 is going to be located right here. Word number 3 located right here. Scroll down to select your rhythmic blank. Select your rhythmic blank. And that's the keyword. That's it. Type that in one single time and you are entered into the giveaway. One single time. Type it in once. Do not type it in more than once, otherwise you will be disqualified from the giveaway. You folks are smart. You're very quick. Sometimes I can't stump you. Look at that. Just one single time. By the way, if you do have a green name in chat, you get 10x the luck. You get 10 entries for one. Do not type it in more than once, though. Otherwise, you will be disqualified. Oh, look, we have Tom Hogard in here. Tom W. Kidding. Platforms works plan is the keyword. One single time, please, folks. Do not type it in more than once. Let's have everybody get a lucky chance here. This is going to be for a free Apex account, any size. And you don't have to use the coupon right away because the coupon expires December 31st of this year. So you can use this on a 300K account. You can use this on a 100K static account. This is the best coupon in the business, baby, because you can use any size account and you do not have to use it right away. So you can keep this in your back pocket. I mean, I'm from the camp, I'd be using it right away, but that's just me. But you can use any size Apex account you want on this. 300K, 100K static. You could do a 50K account if you want, but I would go for the juice, baby. I'd go for the big one. I trade on the 150Ks. I think that's the perfect right amount of size, but make sure you check out the rules before you do it because, you know, they all have different goals. The 100K static, your profit goal is only 2,000, so I think that's pretty cool. Daily drawdown, $625. That seems like a nice one. Those are usually like $137 or something like that. Something like that, right? All right, folks, we got 322. So we get a few more. I'm going to go ahead and roll this. Now, to qualify for the giveaway is super simple. All you have to do is follow me on X, also formerly known as Twitter. Follow me on X, follow me on Instagram. The username, booking trades, you did it. I can't bring you back in the giveaway here, buddy. Look, I can't. I'm locked out from bringing you back in because you typed it in more than once, unfortunately. So follow me on X, follow me on Instagram. The name is @SellingRips. I only have that account on Instagram and on X. So make sure you're following the right one. It has a blue check mark. There's a lot of scammers out there. Keep in mind, I will never, ever, 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 ever reach out to you. Never. I'm never going to DM you. I don't have any exciting opportunities for you. I'm never going to reach out to you. You can reach out to me and I try to respond to as many people as I can, but sometimes like I have my spam inbox is like, it's a mess. I can't even go through it. It's like thousands of messages. But if you do message me and I do get back to you, that's actually me, right? Because you messaged me first, but I'm never going to message you first. I don't do crypto. I don't want your Bitcoin. I don't want your money. I'm never going to be like, hey, I got this super secret trading bot that I'm only telling a couple people. That's fake. That's not me. Don't fall for that crap. There's a lot of scammers out there. Roger, you typed it in more than once. You are disqualified, my friend. All right, we got 353 on the entries. Let's go ahead and roll this. Let's give away 2 accounts today, shall we? 2 Apex accounts, any size. Remember, any size. I'm just gonna send you a coupon code, and that's that. Okay? We ready? I'll give you about 30 more seconds. 30 more seconds to type that keyword in one single time here. Let me load up the secret codes here. Boo doo 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 doo. Boop boop boo doo boop. Boop, boop. Okay, sweet. Again, this coupon code expires December 31st on this year. Is this not the chat people use? The chat that people use is both YouTube and X. Most people are chatting on YouTube. All right, here we go. We're going to roll this for the first winner in 5, 4, 3. Rips Mod got in there. Let's do 365 for every single person. One day of the year. Here we go. As soon as it hits 365, I'm rolling. Let's see. Rips does not want my money. My Bitcoin only wants my mother. That is a fact. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Roll and good luck, everybody. Bah! Trav, you are the big winner. Trav, let me know what is your username on X or on Instagram. And then we can get this show on the road and give you that free Apex account any size. And also let me know what size are you going to go with. I'm curious. I never really asked that. And if you didn't win this time, if you are not Trav, I'm going to re-roll it. I'm giving away 2 free accounts today. So don't worry. And if Trav doesn't claim it, we reset that counter, baby. 30 more seconds to claim this, Trav. 5,000K. I don't think they offer that. I don't think they offer that right now. Trav, you got 20 more seconds to claim this. I want you to win this so bad. Well, we got 5 more seconds. And we're re-rolling. Next person, Et L. Et L, you are here. You are the winner. The big winner of a free Apex account any size. You got 50 seconds to claim. And I believe that hey, there you are. Hello. Trav Ben responded, no, that's it. It was a different one. It has to be the one that won. There's multiple Travs here in Trad. That's, yeah, see, when they claim it, it looks like this. They actually do that. All right, what is your username at L? And then I want to watch the open together. What is your username? There we go. At L. Okay, what size account are you going to do there? Let's see if you follow me here. It's got to be on Instagram. Must be on Instagram, right? Do. You're gonna do the 150K. I love that. I love that. Okay, let me go ahead and find you here on Instagram. I'm hoping this is your username on Instagram. Make sure you follow me. Yes, you do. Congratulations to our big winner. I love it. At L. Lovely. Okay, I'm gonna send you a message right now. This is gonna be the coupon code. Congrats. 1 free Apex, and I'm sending you the coupon code right here and now. And there you have it. That's the coupon code. Put that in the coupon code and you'll be ready to go. All right, we're gonna roll right after the open, but I wanna watch this open together. I'm not gonna trade this, and I'm not just being sneaky. I'm serious. I'm not gonna touch this at all. Brandon Baker says, Rips, I'm less than 2,500 from passing my Apex 300K. I got you with your 90% off code. Nice. By the way, I'm trying to sweet talk Apex right now into doing another 90% off sale. So stay tuned for that. I'm trying my best. Believe me, I'm trying. I'm very because people DM me like, I didn't get the sale. Like, dude, I'm trying. I want to be the hero. Trust me. Throw your top step account into the open. Nah, I'm good. Made 15K yesterday on 3NQ. I love that, Brandon. Way to go, buddy. Nick. That's funny. All right, so stay tuned. About 5 minutes after the open here, we are going to do another giveaway. I'm done trading, though. Like I said, I'm done. I'm Renzel Washington right here. I am done. I'm Denzel Renzel Washington. Rips, do you still have your Top Step Live account? I do, actually. I just have not traded it in a very long time. It's just sitting there. Where's the Celsius discount code? You just got to put in code RIPS, baby. I'm telling you. It works everywhere where you least expect it. Rips, do you enjoy movies? Yes. Good movies. Nothing like... I can't, like, if you're talking about movies, I can't stand that woke shit. I f***ing hate the woke shit, like, a lot. I can't stand it. I get distracted. Like, I get so distracted by the fact that I'm watching some f***ing woke nonsense that I can't, like, get into the movie. But outside of that, I pretty much like all good films. You know what I mean? Code RIPS for FanDuel? Yeah, you never know. I like, dude, and I hate the creeper woke movies where they kind of sneak up on you and you're like, oh, this is gonna be a great movie. And then like, you're like 15 minutes in and you're like, ah, oh, dude, they're checking every box for the woke checklist. This sucks. It is horrible. I'm like, dude, can we make a movie for the sake of making a movie, not to have some stupid statement that you're trying to prove here? You know? I want good cinema. I want a good film. There's plenty of them out there. It's just, you know, can't stand it. Does code RIPS work at Ferrari? I wish. That'd be sick. Rude boy, didn't you win yesterday? Did you win something? Ribs for president 2028, make America pass a comeback. That's funny. Korean cinema coming up? Could be. There's a good Korean movie I saw not too long ago. Oh, God, what was it called? This is gonna bother me now. What was the good Korean movie that came out that was like subtitled and everything? It was like insanely good. Parasite, thank you. God, why did I couldn't think of that freaking word. Yeah, me likey. Old boy, I didn't see that one yet. I gotta see that one. Rips is putting tariffs on all. Yeah. All right, again, I'm not trading this. Look at it. My hands are up here. I'm not gonna touch this, but we're gonna watch it together. 10 seconds. Good luck, everybody. Be careful today. Please be careful. It's gonna be so volatile and gross. Let's watch Bookmap together since we like to do that, right? Let's watch Bookmap here. And you can see I'm not gonna be trading it in TradeEvade. We can watch it in TradingView if you want, but I'd prefer to watch it in Bookmap here. Markets are open, ding, ding, ding. We might be trying to reclaim 19,000s here. It's funny, where I closed my short, if we would have went long, we could have made probably another 40 grand. Those are those intrusive thoughts that always get you. Nice push, huh? Anybody long off this open? Up before down? Very well could be. This is too volatile. I'm happy that I got my trading out of the way. Remember, I wasn't even going to trade my personal account today. I wasn't even going to touch that, so I'm in a very good mood now. The fact that I just robbed the bank for, what did we make? 10,000 on that? 11,000? Feels good. I'm liking that I don't have to participate in this nonsense right now. We kissed 19,000. We're right at the VWAP in both the S&P and the NASDAQ, though. Wow, that fade is getting reclaimed in a jiffy. My goodness. Wow, this is violent, very violent. We are rejecting at the VWAP in both the S&P and the NAS now. This is extremely violent stuff. My hands are still over here. I'm not, again, I'm keeping my promise. I'm not touching this at all. I don't want to touch this. Let's put on some happier music now that the market is open here. Put on a little bit of this here. Market's getting a little hyphy this morning. Touch it? I ain't gonna touch it, my friend. I got poker to play. I'm in a good mood. I want to just gonna work out, relax, go play some poker. Got a great dinner tonight. Taking my wife out on a nice little date. No trade because of tariffs. Well, we traded this morning. I just don't want to touch this anymore. My mental capital is spent. Usually when I nail a trade like that, I'm good. Miss Shinebomb out of Mexico is saying that she's built a good relationship with the U.S. with dialogue, cooperation. Lack of new U.S. tariffs on Mexico is good for the country, and it was due to the mutual respect that we have. Okay. We are still pushing here. Slamming through those 19,000s now. We are through the VWAP. Topping area in the S&P is up around 5550. Feel Tradeify is on the up and up, and I enjoyed the stream yesterday. Yes, I do. Drive that killer car. I don't know what I'm going to drive today. I haven't decided. Believe it or not, it's like something that's been nagging me. I'm like, what do I want to take today? And I'm not trolling. I've actually been thinking about this. I only got to drive my Ferrari once from picking it up from service, and it's like, dude, it's so nice right now. Let's see here. We got 10 more handles in the S&P until we come up to that 5550 level. Anybody long in this market still? Tell me if anybody's still long here. What short? Yeah, nice. Look at that. Spastric, Pekka. Long with micros, was long, is out, killed it. Nice. Got some profit, I'm assuming. Hard to lose if you're long in this market off the open here. Very difficult to lose. We are up over 100 points. God bless this beautiful frickin' market. Up over 100 points here. We are, though, holding back at the tippy top of this V-shaped recovery right now. TBD here. Definitely a little TBD. Look at it. We got an SMT forming, folks. All right. That is an SMT. Make that big. There we go. SMT right there. Right? Big old SMT. You see? Ripsy knows a thing or two. You see what I'm saying? That is an SMT. There we go. Do you see the SMT, folks? Tell me you see the SMT. Because I see it. Sing it. Who caught the SMT? Who caught it? Come on. I know somebody out there caught it. Oh, look at this up here. What do we have up here now? Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that. We nailed it. We nailed it. Woo-wee. We got him. We got it. We nailed it. We got the turtle noodles underneath the SMT. All right, we're going to see this news at 9:45. Then we're going to do one more giveaway for a free Apex account. And then I'm out of here, folks. Liquidity taken. Now we're going downtown.
From downtown!
That's right. 30K subscribers, just realizing, did we actually? Did we hit 30K? No way. Did we actually? Yo, thank you everybody. We hit 30K subs. Sick. Let's go. Thank you everybody. Oh, I mean that. Wow, thank you. Thank you so much. If you aren't subscribed already, you can go ahead and click it right now. I'm not gonna be mad at you for doing it now. That's awesome. 30K subs. Wow. Thank you for everybody who's been rocking with me for, I mean, this has been a journey. Thank you. Hopefully I can continue to earn your patronage, and I do enjoy streaming. People have it kind of twisted. Like, I really do enjoy streaming. I look forward to it. I look forward to hanging out, and we have our social relationship in the mornings here. It's fun. It's like hanging out with friends. I don't know. I enjoy it. I really do. Tried code RIPS with take profit, but it didn't work. What are you, nuts? No, it works. I'm looking at it right now. Yes, it does. It gives you RIPS, code RIPS. I'm looking at it. RIPS, code RIPS. It does. Rips 90. Make sure you use all caps. Yeah, try to use it all caps. Been here for a minute with Dookie shoes. Very nice. Rips, a question, please. Do you expect bearish or bearish reaction to NFP tomorrow? Dude, honestly, I have no idea because I don't have the data. If I knew that, I'd be trillionaire. You know? Yeah, PMI is out in 6 minutes. We're gonna wait for that. The consensus. Wow, look at these longs. Well, if you traded the suck my ticks and turtle noodles, obviously you made money, right? Obviously. Obviously. Okay, so the preview for PMI, we are expecting 54.2 for the services, 53.4 for the composite. It's pretty much in line with what the preliminary numbers were, so I don't think this is going to move the market all that much. The market is finding ways to get long here because there's so many shorts that are getting squozen in here. So we can go ahead and erase all that alpha off of our charts now. A little bit too much alpha. But yeah, we are kind of just holding at the tippy tops of this V right now. You didn't use all caps. Yeah, use all caps. Shout it at the coupon code box. Reps! And that usually works. All that McDeath talk yesterday. I went to McDeath, tried code rips. How did that work out? Someone with Apex has touched the 60% of drawdown permitted for only one time and received a payout. I believe that even if they deny you, just continue trading. They'll get you back in the saddle of getting paid out again. Rips I have $500. Is that enough to play poker with you? Yeah, when we do the meetup game in August or September, we're gonna make it. It's not gonna be high stakes. It's gonna be 500 is plenty. Probably do like a 1-3 game, a 2-5 game, something like that. It'll be fun. Maybe we'll do a tournament, like I don't know, a couple $100 buy-in or $100 buy-in tournament, something like that. Be fun. We'll have some fun. We'll figure out something really, really fun here. We do have sponsors that are I'm trying to figure out which sponsors we're going to use and how it's going to work out. So that's kind of the logistics that we're all working out right now. There's no info on it yet. There will be. But just plan for August or September. The good news is that we're getting a really nice hookup from one of the hotel casinos out here that is going to hook people up with incredible deals for hotel stays. It's a very nice hotel. It's a very, very classy joint. So that's what I can say so far. Can a novice play? Of course. I mean, this is not like competitive. This is gonna be for fun, for everybody to meet up and hang out and meet each other in person, talk some trading, play some poker, eat some good food. It's like a nice little vacation to kick off August or September, right? What account are you trading with right now? So we traded on 20 Apex accounts and we traded on 5 Tradeify straight to funded, as well as our own personal brokerage account. We'll wrap that. We'll give a wrap on the trades here in just a moment. We're just waiting for the PMI data to come out first. We are in a very wide megaphone of consolidation right now. This is dangerous stuff. So please be careful if you are trading this right now. This is terrifyingly difficult stuff. We are breaking the lower arches or even putting in a wider megaphone pattern here. Drive out, got some country to see this year. Nice. Want to show rips a bluff in a big pot? Bring it on, baby. Terrifying. I don't know why I didn't think of that. That's good. That's good stuff.
Another one.
Give me another one, man. WSOP main event giveaway would be a dream. I mean, the World Series of Poker is like in June, so it's gonna be before the meetup, unfortunately. But we'll do something real fun. It'll be great. We're gonna have a prop firm be one of the sponsors, so it's gonna be aligned with that. So it'll be a lot of fun. Okay, we are about 1 minute out from this PMI services data. It's the final S&P services PMI for March. So this is not that laggy of data, We did get the preliminary numbers for the services at 54.3. We're expecting 54.2 for the actual. And on composite, we got 53.5 for the preliminary and 53.4 for the expectations. So let's see. And then after that, I'm going to give away another free Apex account. So stick around for that. And I'm just going to roll right away. So if you already entered the giveaway for the first time, you're already entered again. So don't worry about that. A Rips Bounty. We could do a Rips Bounty tournament for sure. And then maybe whoever the sponsors are, we could have, you knock out this person from this prop firm. You make some extra bounty there. How do I enter? I guess we could redo the entries. If you want to enter for the giveaway, right now I'm just going to do this. Let's do this. All you need to do is type in right here. One single time, type in RIPS. The same code you're going to use it anywhere you shop, whether it's a prop firm, Amazon, or McDonald's. Just type in keyword RIPS. Only one time though. If you type it in more than once, you're disqualified. All right. This is for a free Apex account, any size. Let's see what happens with the PMI. It has come out, 54.4. Nobody cares. All right, let's do this giveaway, folks. Once this threshold crosses like 250, I'm going to go ahead and draw it. This is a free Apex account. You have to be following me on X and on Instagram. And that's it. Very simple. Very simple stuff. Very simple stuff here. And if you're over in the Twitter X chat, just come on over to YouTube and type in the keyword. Get yourself a free Apex account. What's up, DT? The Roof Trader. How you doing, buddy? All right, let's go ahead and draw this. We got over 300 here in 5, 4, 3, 2, and rolling. Fundamental. Oh, fundamental. Fundamental. You got a minute to claim, my friend. Just let me know what is your username on X. There you are. All right, what is your username on X or on Instagram? Make sure you're following me. Got to give you a minute to claim. Tysa. Okay, let's see. Nice, you do follow me. Nice work there, buddy. I love the username too. Congrats. Free Apex. Cool. All right, and here's your code. Dropping that to you right now. There you go. That's your code. Spend it wisely, my friend. What account are you gonna use? What size? What are you gonna go with? I'm curious to know. What size are you gonna do? Ooh. The 150K, very nice. It's any size. You get to pick and choose. It's your world, baby. We're just living in it. All right, everybody. Let's do a quick little recap on what happened this morning. We traded in our, where's the thingy thing? There it is. We traded in our Tradeify accounts this morning. Well, these are Apex. Traded in our Apex accounts to make $1,400 in each account. So that works out to be, let's get the calculator open here. Okay, so 1462, a 60 times 20 accounts, that's 29,000. And then if we go back over to Tradeify, what do we do here? Come on out, don't be shy. 1259.68. Okay. So 1259.68, 5 accounts plus Apex. There we go. $35,550 in props. Yeehaw! Wee doggies. Isn't that fun? So that's what we did over there. But I'm most proud of what we did in our personal account today. In our personal brokerage account. That's where I'm most proud of our progress today. In our personal brokerage account, come on, open up window. In our personal brokerage account, we made $11,280. There we go, $11,280. So that is a grand total across the... Okay, look, I'm back. I'm sorry, I'm back. I'm back, baby, I'm back. We're back, we're still here. NVIDIA, figure out your 5090 already, dude. Jeez, sorry about that. Anyway, we made across the board $46,830.40 today. Yeehaw! 11,280 is in our personal brokerage account, so I'm happy about that. All right, everybody, be good out there. I'll catch you bright and early tomorrow for Friday's stream. It's already Friday, can you believe it? So let's have some fun tomorrow, okay? Be here, 8 a.m., 8 o'clock in the morning. Folks on Discord, don't go anywhere. I'm gonna be right with you. Thanks for tuning in on X. Thanks for tuning in on YouTube. And be careful out there. It's a very tricky market, okay? Be very, very careful out there, folks. Be good. Be amazing. Crush it today. Be good. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye for real. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.